The JogAlong Stroller was created to embrace the flow of your body's natural movement, allowing you to spend more time with your child outdoors. The smooth motion of the arms automatically adjusts to your natural arm movement. You can run or walk at any speed. There are no stroller adjustments to make. It follows your lead. The JogAlong is your outdoor partner when you and your child are on the move. With the arms locked and caster wheels on the front, it's very mobile for a casual stroll. And for a low-impact workout, it's a true complement to you walking or power walking. And when running, you will celebrate your performance. It also easily converts to a bicycle trailer. The JogAlong Stroller supports an active family's lifestyle. By sharing the experience, you set a foundation for a lifelong love of being outside and physical activity. Using the JogAlong will help you sustain your fitness activity time as it works with your body's natural motion. Your child is secure in a 5-point safety harness and safely surrounded by a high-strength, lightweight aluminum frame. The JogAlong folds compactly for easy storage or transport. There are many features already built into the JogAlong Stroller, like adjustable suspension, a peekaboo window, and water bottle holders, to name a few. As runners ourselves, we agree that restrictions on your free running form can reduce your desire to use a traditional jogging stroller. The JogAlong works with your body's natural arm swing, making it easier for you to be active with your child. We've spent years working on the design, ergonomics, and safety of the JogAlong Stroller. Currently, we are preparing for a Kickstarter launch and would love to keep you posted on the progress of bringing the JogAlong to active families. Thank you for your...
Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install the Kupper mount. The first thing you're going to want to do is prepare your surface by just giving it a nice clean so there's no dirt or dust on there. Then you're going to take your front Kupper mount, put it right on where you're going to mount it, push it down. Now you'll notice there's a red line on this pump. This pump here indicates that you have the right seal. If that red line is hidden, that's how you know you're good to go. So go ahead and pump. Once you're pumped all the way down, you can see the red line is hidden. That's how you know you have a good seal. Next thing you're going to do is grab your bike, remove the front wheel, which I've already done, and stick these front forks right into your fork mount, like so, and go ahead and loosely tighten it, not all the way, so they can now go to installing the rear mount. For the rear mount, same as the front, you prepare your surface by cleaning it off, see where it's going to sit. Take your rear cup, set your tire right down in it, and same as the front, you have a red line indicator that lets you know that you have a good seal. And to get that seal, go ahead and just pump it down. Once you pump it down and you don't see the red line anymore, you know that you have a good seal. Take the supplied ladder strap, wrap it through your rim, tighten it down, and now your rear tire is secured. Go back to your front, finish tightening up your front fork mount here. Boom. And now your bike is 100% secured to your vehicle. Last thing you're going to want to do is take the supplied Velcro strap, wrap it around your pedal, arm, and the frame. And once you tighten that, now your pedals won't backspin when you're going down the road. And that's how quick and easy it is to install the Kupper mount.
Introducing the Boomerang GPS CycloTrac V2, a bike accessory designed to provide security for your bike and safety for you, the rider. With CycloTrac 2, security and safety are as simple as activating the device with our app. Then you're free to walk away and enjoy the peace of mind knowing that Boomerang is protecting you from theft. If anything happens to your bike, an alarm will sound and the Boomerang companion app will alert you that your bike is being tampered with instantly. So who needs a Boomerang? Anyone who doesn't want to replace their bike. E-bike owners, enthusiasts, commuters, parents, parents or spouses of bike owners, and anyone who wants to protect their biking freedom. With Boomerang, riders become part of the community. Come on, join in, no matter where you are in the world. With Boomerang, your journey can take you to the top of mountains. It allows you to get out and express yourself, whether you're speeding to work on a bike or cruising through a park with friends. Bike protection made simple and easy. Protect your freedom with Boomerang. Peace of mind anywhere, anytime.
Riding your bicycle is awesome. It's good for your health, spirit and mood. But you don't always have enough time to enjoy that to the fullest. Wouldn't it be great to rediscover the pleasure of biking without limitations? Introducing Lightest, the most light, compact and affordable e-bike kit to bring your bike back to life. Lightest is composed by the drive unit and the battery. You can easily install them on your bike in minutes. It's silent and super easy to use. It's the most natural riding experience, as if you had superpowers. Thanks to the integrated torque sensor, which makes the motor assist you based on the effort you put on the pedals. Go everywhere in maximum efficiency thanks to the mid-ride technology. With that, you can use your regular bike shifter to conquer any terrain, from your city street to the top of the mountain.